Hello everyone, welcome back to Soroban Magic. Today we will learn subtraction using big numbers 6, 7, 8 and 9. Don't worry, we will use the 5-bit trick to make subtraction easy. Let's start. 6 minus 1. First set 6 on the abacus. How do we make 6? For this, upper bead down, this is 5, right? Now add one lower bead. Yes, this is 6, right? Now subtract 1. This remove one lower bead down. What is left? 5. Yes, the answer is 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Good job. Next, 7 minus 2. So, this upper bead 5. Yes, right. This is go down and add 2 lower bead. 1, 2. This is 7, right? Now subtract 2. 1, 2. What is left? 5 again. Yes. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Right. Now 8 minus 3. Okay. So this is 5. Yes. Goes down. Add 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 8. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. So what is left? 5. Yes, the answer is 5. Next, 9 minus 4. So for 9, this is 5. Yes, and 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, right. Now subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is left? Again 5? Yes. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So answer is 5. Great job. Today you did amazing. You are learning big numbers now. Please practice on your abacus daily. I am giving you a worksheet. Please practice at home. If you have any questions, write in the comment box. See you in the next video. Bye bye.